Hello there.
Hello, how are you? Where are you from?
I'm just visiting. I'm from Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C.
Yes.
London, Ontario.
All right.
All right. And you?
Way to go. Same, my wife.
Pleased to meet you. Enjoy
Same
yourself.
here, same here. We're having fun.
We live
No,
here. We live
Oh,
here
you
for-
live here?
Oh, gosh, yes.
Of course.
Lived here for
Yeah.
going on
How long have you been living here?
18, 20 years. Here in Cebu, or in
In
Manila.
Manila.
But I lived in Cebu before
Cebu.
that.
So
It's too damn cold your way.
that's why we're here. What are you talking about? That's why
Yeah.
we're here. I love it here.
No. There's
Yeah,
no way you're
we-
going to get me to go back there.
Videos.
Also tourists.
Yeah, I'm a blogger.
Really?
I am the senior balikbayan blogger from Washington D.C.
Is that your handle, senior blog?
No, it's golf feet. I'm a golfer, okay? I love
What's your
playing golf.
handicap?
I'm not that good. I'm a
Then you're
19,
not
19.
a golfer.
No, 19 handicap. I shoot in the high 80s, low
I know,
90s.
but 19, it don't go any higher than that. You know, if you get a 20
What is your
they give you
handicap?
a cripple. You know,
What is your handicap?
6.
Well, you're a single handicapper. There's no way I can play with you.
Of course not.
You're gonna get bored. You're gonna get bored. Well, I'm just a hacker, okay? Well,
Me too.
I enjoy it. I mean, you hit good ones, you hit bad ones, because
Well, this is
as it is, I'm 66 years old and I used to hit 220.
You're a puppy.
Now I hit it just 180.
What? 56.
66.
66.
Yes,
You're
66.
still a puppy.
I'm turning 67 in March, so but I'm having fun. Are you still playing?
No.
No. No.
Yeah, but you look like you're 67.
Thank you. I'm actually going 80. Yeah, I'm going to be turning 80.
You had your time, okay?
My time?
Yeah.
Absolutely gone.
You had your time. You
Look
had
at this. I got stuck with this old woman.
Stop. What are you talking about? She's priceless.
I know she's
What are you,
priceless.
what are you talking about? Hey, I'm glad you guys
How long
are
are you
having
going to be
fun.
hanging around here?
Till mid-March. Mid-March.
Ah, really? Yeah.
Mid-March.
Avoiding winter.
Oh, definitely. I mean, because like I tried playing in winter over
Where do
there,
you stay?
and you have like 3-4 layers. How can you swing a club?
I know that, you know, there actually are crazy people who play with colored golf balls, these bright orange things, right? And they
Don't tell me that, because that's what I play.
oh, but you need that to dig them out of the rough.
Not only that, so I could find the ball.
So you're retired now?
I've been retired since I was 55.
Ah, cool.
Yeah, I work for a government, Fannie Mae. We work with mortgages.
Yeah.
I worked there long enough to retire, so I retired.
Yeah.
And I had heart issues.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I had heart issues. I had 5 block arteries.
Wow.
I have 5 block arteries. They were supposed to cut
Would
me
you have a
open.
bypass?
They were supposed to give me a quintuple bypass, but I saw this video. It's called Forks Over Knives,
Yeah.
and I saw it, and the doctor that said, if you haven't gotten a heart attack at this point while me talking to you,
Yeah.
I promise you'll never have a heart attack if you follow the type of eating habit he's gonna teach you. And you know what that is? Plant-based food habit, 0 oil.
Yes.
If you do that, you
Well,
can.
that's all carbo, right?
No, veggies.
No, but oils are a carbohydrate, right?
I don't know. I just cut it off.
I'm 80. I have a very, very healthy diet. I always have, right? I stay away from Filipino food. 'Cause that shit will kill you in a
Yeah, it's all oil. It's all
All
oil.
oil. Oh, listen, darling, would you like toast? You throw it in a fucking frying pan with about 2 inches of mazola in the
Yeah,
bottom.
the food is bad, but the people are great because it's fun here in the Philippines.
Oh, I love this country.
It's
I
fun.
love this country.
It's fun.
Fortunately, we've
You
managed
you
to
met-
get some good cookbooks.
Yeah,
Right?
and do healthy food. That's good.
I'm the
Both
same.
of us
I
are
don't
super
eat- I
healthy.
don't-
That's great.
Simply because of the diet.
How about you,
This guy
sir?
before
How long have you been living here?
1 year.
1 year.
He's just a rookie,
He's a rookie.
but he's loving it.
He's having
He's not saying a thing, so I'm not really
Well,
sure.
he doesn't speak English. He's an Aussie.
He's a what?
He's an Aussie. He doesn't speak English.
Get out of here. What are you talking
Get
about?
out of here.
Come on, he's an Aussie. He can speak English. I probably have a hard
Don't
time
tell him
understanding, but
Don't tell
well,
him
it's just I got an accent. What are you talking about? But
I
you
don't
could
know.
understand me. Could you understand me? See?
nung pandemic.
I understood him. He said, but you know, we're both from the colonies.
From the culture.
Canadian, Australian, right? We have to understand one another.
Where are you from again?
I was born in London, Ontario.
Yeah.
London, Ontario.
Yeah.
I don't even know where that is. Is that in Canada?
Yeah.
It's in Canada.
Canada.
You know
You're
where
a
the
Can-
Great Lakes
You're
are?
a Canadian.
No, I'm Canadian.
Canadian.
You know where the Great Lakes are? Lake
Oh,
Erie,
yes,
Lake.
yes, yes.
Okay, so you got Lake Ontario and Lake
I know, I
Erie,
know.
right where they come together,
Great Lakes, yes.
which
Up
is
there.
Niagara Falls.
North,
Go
northeast.
just a little bit north and a little bit west of Niagara Falls. Right in the middle is London.
Yeah, your area is the one that's sticking into the United States. It's like sticking.
No, we're actually we're part of the chosen few.
I guess. Yeah, because you were saying you sound like American to me. So
Well, I lived in the States. I migrated to the States when I was like when I was 20.
20.
Well, I got educated.
Uh-huh.
I looked around and I said, this country is not for me. Because cradle to grave, no problem, except get my money.
Yeah, of course.
So I said, fuck it. I'll go to the United States, I'll make a lot of money, and I'll look after myself.
Exactly. That's the way to do it.
No.
It's just like us. We work so much hard in the United States, make enough money.
Sure.
They come here and the dollar just stretches forever.
Forever.
Oh, what else do you want?
I mean, you know, I retired, I have a very nice pension. From both countries, by the way.
Wow, good for you.
I know. I don't know how I pulled that off,
Good
but
for
I
you.
do.
That's why I love my wife,
Now
because we
you're
both
on
have
video,
we
so
have both
there you go.
pensions, and just with the
You,
pension
you
alone.
can't. You're not a pensioner.
He is. She is.
Pull that down. Come on, let me.
Here.
Bullshit. You're too young.
No, I'm not.
She's my age.
Yeah.
We're in
You're-
the 60s.
Well, then you're too young. What can
No.
I say?
60s.
Not bad.
60s.
She's 60. But she
61. 61.
You're younger than us. Okay.
worn out. Worn out. Look at
I'm a new dual citizen.
We are babies compared to him.
Yeah, Lord.
Senior citizen.
Yeah.
I enjoy the.
And what's your name,
benefits
sir?
of the
Oh,
Lord.
Steve.
Steve,
Taylor.
I'm Francis.
Francis, pleased to meet you. You're
Same here. I'm
I'm Pat.
Pat.
Suki.
Pat.
Suki.
Suki. Suki. It's a pleasure. And your name, sir? Phil. Phil Mickelson.
Yeah,
I'll remember that.
Doesn't he wish?
Hey, don't you play golf? No. You're not close to Phil.
We play
Go,
ball.
go. I can't touch that anymore because I overdid it when
No,
I
you
was
try
young.
touching.
No, I can't because my liver's already messed up.
Touch.
And you
I
need to
know.
switch to whiskey.
Come on, I
Whiskey
want to
don't
enjoy
give a
life.
shit.
I still
know
want to
what?
play more golf.
You know what?
What?
Liver regenerates.
Are you sure?
It does.
Yes,
yeah,
it
the liver
does.
regenerates.
I hope so. So I have
After
to go
it's
check my
damaged.
doctor again and see
Yeah,
how
The
it's
liver
doing.
If you've been off
regenerates, unless
booze
you have
for a while.
cirrhosis.
Yeah, because my liver enzymes already improved because I haven't touched it for so long.
Yeah,
So-
but it regenerates to new.
That's good to know
It-
because I've been eating plant-based for 11 years now. Okay, so
Yeah,
I hope
you're
so.
with the bearded ring, boy.
Well, anyway, it was so nice talking to you guys.
Enjoy your time.
Enjoy too.
Vacation.
Check out my video, Golfy channel. That's with an A.
Don't
That's
worry.
Golfy. That's Goalfy. Instead of
Golfy.
golfy, like a golf, you just add A in between the thing
Golfing.
because it's not obvious that I'm
So
a
if
golfer.
I
So you are.
Do I have to give you like a
YouTube,
like or
YouTube.
something and then you make
Subscribe. I'm already making money as it is.
I know, but if
That's
I,
why you have.
that's a bummer. I meet you on the street. I subscribe to your video. We have a nice, and you make money. That's not the way it should be.
Well, I'll teach you how to blog and you can start making money if you like. That is if you have the
I would
time.
rather
It
not.
takes time. Oh no, she's gonna check it out now. Look.
No,
look.
somebody's calling.
Oh.
She's gonna call.
Okay. I'll see you guys.
Enjoy.
Bye bye. Take care. Nice talking to you. Look.